Hello, it's I, Skylar, and welcome to Siri is Dumb. I'm going no script today, so let's try it. I'm Skylar, let's get started. This is the Siri Shortucts app, and I have some interesting opinions about it after playing around with it for a little bit. I think this is an app for hardcore power users, or to play with some things. So, let's try playing with something. I'm going to run this right here by saying its command. Where are we dropping, boys? Gotta get that volume. Let's see. It should come back with eventually. So the credit to this shortcut, I did not design it, someone else made it. But I helped with the functionality of it, getting it to work, while they did all the typing and stuff. And shortcuts seem to take a long time to run. Or sometimes they don't work. Let's try this. Oh, yes, I wanna. That's the problem. I imported it, so I had to wait. But so make sure if you're gonna try something, you have to import it first. And if you're importing it, you have to run and select OK before you try it. Good lesson learned. Where are we dropping, boys? It takes time. These things take a long time to run. I don't know why. That is a problem. Because when you're wanting something quick and shortcut, should be short. I'm literally still waiting. Now, let's see if there's a problem with the code. It has a list, gets random item from the list. So this is the code. It has a list. It gets a random item from list. And it speaks it. So it'll be fine if we run it right now.
Risky Reels.
Yes.
Factory at Leaky Lake.
See, it runs really quickly. But where are we dropping, boys? With Siri, it does not work so well, and I do not get it. So I'm going to wait for it to work this time while I talk about why I think it's for power users. Apple has talked about it being for power users a little bit, I think. And it's hard. It's a lot of effort and time for those of us who don't want a power user thing. I went through a bunch of things trying to develop a shortcut that I could use. But in the end, it just wouldn't be something that I would use. Look how long this is taking. Is this worth it? When in this time, I could have just randomly dropped where I want to.
Done.
It didn't do anything. Yeah, I would like to say it's an amazing, flawless software, but it's not. Now, let's show some live troubleshooting here. This is not planned, but I'm assuming we can do continue in Shortcuts app. And if we put this at the very beginning, I'm assuming it'll work better now. Where are we dropping, boys? Now, it's still not fluid. It's not working as well as I would hope for it to. Because it's so troubling. It should be a simple thing, and it's not. Here we go.
Tilted Towers.
There we go. So, that time it did work, but it took so long. And that's why I think it's for power users who, know how to set this up. It takes some work to set it up, because while you're in here, it only works with certain apps, but it does work well with certain apps, like weather, maps. In fact, in the maps, you can, not in this one, but in the maps, you can use Google Maps or Apple Maps or Waze or whatever you want, which is very good. So it says, there we go, Maps, Google Maps or Apple Maps. Very useful. And then there's also this scripting stuff, which is scripting if, else, then. A lot of interesting stuff in here, but it's complicated to play with. You can use it, but it's complicated. So there are some things to look into too. Here, if you are a Power user and you think this is amazing, comment below and tell me why. But I think it's really not the best thing Apple's ever done. I think this was not the project they wanted it to be. This is not exactly what workflow was supposed to turn into. I'm Askour. Thanks for watching. Wait, doing this again. Got one more thing, and I almost forgot to say it actually, but you may notice at the beginning of this series episode, I didn't say that it's the finale of Season 4, although it is. It's also the finale of naming Siri's dumbs. We're just going to call them all Siri is dumb. If in the past, if you've ever heard his season or episode name, that's in the past. We're not doing that anymore. It's just Siri is dumb, and it's a series about Siri. I'm Askour. Thanks for watching. Bye.